In this video, we'll look at how to track the progress of your entire class using the statistics menu. Wherever you are in the platform, you can always return to your list of classes by clicking the Xeropan Classroom logo in the top left corner. Choose the class you want to review, then click Statistics. This is where you can analyse the group's overall performance. You can view data for the current week, previous month, last 3 months, 6 months, or the past year. The charts show key class-level metrics, including number of solved lessons, total learning time, points collected, stars earned, number of 3-star lessons. You'll also see the group's strongest and weakest grammar areas, as well as strongest and weakest vocabulary topics. You can assign extra practice directly from these insights. For example, if the class struggles with a particular grammar point, you can assign a focused grammar lesson to strengthen that area. That's how you track whole class progress in Xeropan Classroom. Use these insights to support your learners and target the areas where your class needs the most practice. When you're ready, continue to the next video in this workshop.